How to enable or disable encrypt offline location for offline finding on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Now here, so click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on security and privacy. So you will see security and privacy is here. So click on security and privacy. Now here, so click on lost device protection. So after click on lost device protection, so click on find my mobile. So after click on find my mobile, you will see offline finding is here. So click on offline finding. So you will see encrypt offline location is here. So if you want to enable encrypt offline location, so turn on this button. So after turn on this button, you will see encrypt offline location is turned on and enabled. So if you want to disable encrypt offline location, so turn off this button. So after turn off this button, you will see encrypt offline location is disabled. So you will enable or disable encrypt offline location from here. So after the process, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can enable or disable encrypt offline location for offline finding on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.